This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So anyone has practiced this company creation process?
Yeah, I did it, Satya,
Yes, sir.
yesterday at this
Good. So
company.
any challenges? Any challenges?
Uh, no challenges as such, but I have few questions.
Okay.
I have a challenge,
Definitely.
sir.
We'll discuss, Soma, your
Yeah,
challenge, like doubts. First, let us understand the application problem. Yeah. Someone else is having challenges.
Sir, this is Vidyasagar, sir.
Yeah, Vidya Sagar. Yeah. Uh,
Sir.
so you are facing any errors kind of thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I make you presenter?
No, sir. I need to 2 minutes. I am working on other system.
Okay, so how much time it will take for you to open that system?
5 minutes, sir.
So okay, make it your system readily available. I'll make you
Okay, sir.
presenter. So
Okay.
every day, yeah, fine. Anyone else? Anyone else is practicing and facing challenges? Only Vidyasagar and Somasundra. Anyone tried actually? So no trials. Fine. So at least you can try today and come back to me with the problems. Okay, so here the problems means sometimes you can resolve yourself by looking into one by one steps, and practice means here whether I'm looking at any document when I'm providing training to you. Okay, so gender is available, currency gender, like Pramila is asking about currency gender. So this currency gender is available in D365 also, but this is a specific localization, specific country localization. It is not for all. Okay, this is not specific. Like see here, what she is asking. Let me show you. So general ledger, currencies, currencies. So here there is a currency gender. Okay, I never used, but it is specific country. Okay, this is specific to country. Okay, Pramila, it is available, but I never used. That is specific country. Have you got chance to use that functionality, Pramila? Have you? Okay, fine, no problem. So
Sir,
I want to tell
sir,
you, yeah, Sudhakar, tell me.
regarding this reporting currency and accounting currency, on what basis we have to select the reporting currency, sir?
Okay, we'll discuss. Okay, we'll discuss. The first thing is, see, you are going to practice by looking into the step by step process. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, like this. Am I right? This is your way of learning. But
yeah,
whether I am following that one, that whether I have any document for me to teach
No,
you,
no,
no.
sir.
So in the same manner, you need to do it your own. First, initially, for first company 1, company 2, company 3, try to do as it is, copy from my notepad to your practice. Then fourth time onwards or fifth time onwards, you need to do your own. Then only you will be in the, see, if you are, if the opposite person want to trust you, like you have really 2 to 3 years of experience, then if you practice this one, then only opposite person can confident like you are having these many years of experience. So if you are not practicing and just simply listening and going back, no help. Okay, so it is must, everyone should practice. So if logistics consultants, they want to skip, they can skip. But finance consultants, if you are showing like, if you are explaining to the opposite person like, I have 3 years of experience knowledge, that knowledge is this one only. Along with this one, from day one in April 18th 2022, we have started this batch. From that day onwards till now, whatever you have practiced, everything you need to try and you need to attempt in this company, new company. Okay, it's not a complex, you know, so many setups. Like suppose take the example, method of payment. How to create method of payment, you know. How to create cash discount, I have explained. How to create financial dimensions, or how to create taxes. There are so many I have explained. All those things on top of this company creation process, you need to practice. Of course, finance team, next Monday onwards, another 3-4 days, you are going to practice with the new company. I'm going to show you some more. Okay, for T&L, little bit I will show you on Monday. Well, that is for T&L topic. For is for finance. Finance, it will be continued in this company, like understanding like financial transactions, and then followed by fixed asset module, following by budgeting. There are so many things you are going to learn in this new company. Okay, so whatever you have learned till now, everything you need to practice in this company. Take example like accrual schemes, ledger allocation rules, you learned already. So here I have not created any accrual schemes. But you know the setups, how to do it. You need to create in the blank database. If you practice, that is really equal to your experience. So here take the example like allocations, allocation rules, ledger allocation rules. Nothing here, you need to create. So you know already setups in USMF, whatever I have explained, the same manner you need to practice in this company. So if you are not doing anything, and if you are asking me like whether I am really experienced, means you don't have. Okay, so practicing is most important. Till now you have listened a lot from me. Now it is your turn, how much time you are spending to practice. So if you practice, if you know, suppose if you want to demonstrate 1 hour, you need to prepare for 3 hours. Do you know that one? If you want to demonstrate any topic in front of the big audience for 1 hour practice, for 1 hour, if you want to speak, you need to prepare minimum to minimum 3 hours. Then only you can deliver. You can speak 1 hour. So here practice is most important. If you practice, suppose you have practice and you are able to see simple question one. If I am asking one simple question like, explain me about the Dynamics AX for 30 minutes. For 30 minutes, can anyone do it? Yourself practice 30 minutes. You need to speak whatever you have learned. You have learned from last 2 months, almost 2 months. It is more than 30-40 hours, almost 40 hours. Okay, so I'm continuously speaking around 40 hours. Are you able to speak at least 30 minutes? Take the challenge and practice. Take this challenge. 30 minutes you need to speak. So whether you can call to anyone or your friend, your brother, whoever it may be. Explain 30 minutes to the opposite person. Okay, if you explain 30 minutes, if you are able to explain 30 minutes, then you are in the race. Okay, fine. So yes, Samadhan, yes, you are correct. The client will provide the account numbers. The client will provide the main accounts. Those accounts we need to use it. Okay. Now, reporting currency. How can we decide reporting currency? Accounting currency, yes, wherever it is located, this company, that is accounting currency. It is clear. It's not an issue. What is this reporting currency? How can you happen? So, suppose in general, if I'm running my business in India, then I will use reporting currency is US dollars, because I want to compare with any other country with my business. I want to showcase every report in US dollars. Okay, so I will use reporting currency is US dollars. Suppose if my company is in Europe, then my accounting currency, suppose take the example Switzerland, then accounting currency I can use Swiss crowns, and reporting currency I want to use euros, because I want to compare like all my reports in euros. Okay, suppose my company is, that is not my decision. We need to discuss with the client and business people based on their inputs, because along with the regular currency, the report, what is the other report, like what is the like reports will be generated in other currencies, what they want. Suppose I have a company in India, I have a company in Singapore, I have a company in Malaysia. Okay, three different like countries. I want to consolidate. I can use US dollars as a reporting currency. So majority, because why it is reporting currency US dollars? Take the example. Suppose I'm traveling from India to UK. I'm traveling from India to UK. Now, along with my INR, actually I have some money in my pocket, INR. Then next currency, I'm traveling from Hyderabad to Dubai to Netherlands, the flight, or Denmark, from Denmark to UK. This is my flight. These are the three flights. One is from Hyderabad to Dubai, Dubai to, suppose take the example, France, and France to UK. So suppose I landed in Dubai. Can I use INR, Indian rupees,
No.
in the airport? I can't use it. Can I have this? So in that case, I need to purchase Dubai Arab Emirates. I mean say AED, Arab Emirates dirhams, and once again France euros. Once again UK, it is GBP, Great Britain pounds. Can I carry these many currencies? Practically
No.
possible? No. So which currency I can carry?
Global currency, anyone.
US dollars, right? So if it is even for company also, whenever I'm publishing reports to the across the world, if I'm publishing my financial positions, suppose I want to establish one more company in Singapore. My company is in Hyderabad only. Hyderabad, Mumbai, and Chennai. Three companies it is there already. I am planning to establish one more company in Singapore or Malaysia or Australia. I'm thinking. Then I'm discussing with Singapore delegates, like my company business is 500 crores Indian rupees. If I'm speaking like this, they cannot understand whether it is a big or small, because Indian rupees they will not calculate. Then what I have to do? $1,000 million, $5,000 million, $10,000 million US dollars. Then the opposite person can understand how big it is. Okay, so if you are publishing to the entire world your financial balance sheet or trial balance or P&L to the entire team, I need to publish in US dollars. So usually reporting currency will be US dollars, usually. But if your company is in Europe, there will be in Europe, there are two currencies. One is their local currency, and then euro is another currency. So they can use one accounting currency as euro or their local currency, and secondary currency is euros, either one. So now coming to, is it clear now reporting currency benefit? What exactly?
Yes, sir. Sir, one more doubt, sir.
Hmm.
So regarding
Yeah.
this creation of legal entities, suppose I'm going to establish one company in India, US, and Singapore. So single legal entity is enough to establish in all the countries, or different countries for the different legal entities?
So always, it is always, if you in one country, in two different countries, you cannot create one legal entity. The problem is, yes, it can be created. System will suppose system will support, like you can create one company and you can create branches. But the problem is statutory reports. You need to submit income tax, sales tax reports to the government of authorities. Then whether it is very complex to fulfill this like statutory reports. So it is better to have, each country will have different company. Each company will have each country will have different companies. Got it?
Okay.
So even in India also, if I have one company, like in India, I have 4 branches like Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore. Even for that also, you need to discuss a lot during the consolidation process. I'm going to explain you consolidation process. At that time, I'll discuss with you about this thing. So this three, suppose Chennai, Mumbai, and Hyderabad. Then whether I need to create a branch, one company and 3 branches, 3 business units, or 3 legal entities we need to create. That is, it's a big debate. It's a big debate. Okay, pros and cons, and I will explain you at that time in the consultation process. Even within the one company, sorry, within the country, whether I need to create one company or 3 companies. Okay, there are the advantages and there are disadvantages. We'll discuss during consultation process for finance team.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay, sir.
Now, Soma will discuss about your doubts. Before that, let me explain you triangulation currency. So triangulation currency. Anyone has any idea what is this? Euro is a triangulation currency. In the world, euro is the only triangulation currency. What is this euro and which country this currency is, which country belongs to? Euro is for which country? Do you have any idea?
Euro is basically meant for the European countries. There is a group of
Hmm.
around more than 20-25 countries which uses the
Hmm.
common currency as a euro, while they
Hmm.
have their own, country currency as well.
Yes. Now, last time you asked me about triangulation currency. Triangulation currency means, suppose if any currency, Switzerland is Swiss crowns. So Swiss crowns, if you want to pay, you cannot pay Swiss crowns. First, you need to convert our local currency, our Indian currency to euros first, and from that euro to Swiss crowns, you need to convert. If you are planning to pay in Swiss crowns, so you cannot pay transfer, you cannot pay any amount directly for Europe countries. For Europe countries, if you want to transfer, first your currency conversion should be converted from your local currency to euros, and euros to that local currency. So euro is mandatory, it is must. So that is the reason triangulation. It's a try, it's not directly. Got it?
Okay, okay.
So that is the triangulation currency. Understood everyone? Triangulation currency means in Europe, each and every country have their own currency. Along with that one, they have euro currency also. So if you want to transfer any amount to their local currency, you cannot transfer. First, you need to convert that one into euros, and euros to local currency, whether it is a Swiss crown, whether it is a Denmark currency, or Netherlands currency, whatever it is. Okay, this is triangulation currency. Now understood both reporting currency and triangulation currency.
For triangulation currency, is there any specific setups required, Satya?
Yeah, so for that here currencies, just give me a minute. So if you go here, general ledger, currencies, then if you select euro, this euro is here reference currency for triangulation. Got it? This checkbox will be enabled only for euros. For remaining, it will not be. For remaining, it will be disabled. Only for euros, it will be enabled. This checkbox. And now for exchange rate currency, you need to enter here denomination currencies. You need to enter euro versus what is the exchange rate. So 1 euro equal to these many Cyprus currencies, MTL, SKK.
Okay, in this case, Satya, this setup needs to be enabled only for those European countries, is it?
Yes, yes. Because you are not converting. Suppose you are receiving money in INR, are you converting into euros and converting to INR?
No.
We don't have. That is not required. This is for euro, for European countries only. So triangulation currencies. The heading name it was denomination currencies, but it is triangulation. This is available in AX 2012, in AX 2009 also. In AX 2009 as well. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Any more questions, Tim? Now, yeah, Soma, you have some questions, some doubts in your mind. Tell me.
Yeah. See, I have created the item, okay, in the released product, and by mistake I have given the wrong, the spelling has gone wrong while creating that item, and soon after creating that I tried to edit, but it didn't allow me to edit that. Is there any way to correct that the name of the item?
Okay, fine. So let me go back. Product information management, not for all, only few. So now go to release products. So let me click on edit. So here you can change only search name. This one.
Yeah.
Okay. And here one is product name, one is item number. These two cannot be modified. Item number and product number cannot be modified, but product name can be changed. Okay, where I can change product name. So now I'm going to products and release all products and product masters. So rather than T&L consultant, you are asking many questions related to T&L. Okay.
Sorry, because when I'm doing it,
no problem. Just I'm speaking funny. No problem. So if you go here, side 1, you can click on edit. You can change this one, product name. Got it?
okay.
Actually, for this, it is there. If it is a product name, item number and product number cannot be modified. Okay. Just let me give you a small information, but it is not updating this one. Here it is, name is changed to rec ID. It is not possible. Whereas suppose the same thing, suppose take the example, general ledger, not general, accounts payable, collapse all, payment setup, terms of payment you have learned, am I right? So
Yeah.
we have created terms of payment. Suppose 1 month, 15 days. So here 1 month, 15 days you have configured. but later you realize it is not 15 days, it is 20 days. Suppose. Okay, now I
Okay.
have rectified 20 days. This is fine. Now I want to make it this 1 month 15 days to 1 month 20 days. This is not correct. Yes. So don't apply to everyone. Don't explain this one to business users. Don't explain. Okay. Don't give
Okay.
this information to all. It is don't make it public. This changes. So you can change this one to
Oh, okay.
it will change everywhere wherever you have map. 1 minute.
Mhm.
So it will take 1 minute time. It will be modified.
All existing data also will be override with this
Yes,
Satya.
yes. It is code level changes.
Okay.
Even for the, okay, got it. Automatically for all the open item transactions, this new condition will be applied. Is it, Satya?
Yes. This will be overwritten with entire application database. So
Uh,
this will be modified only for like data entry. Means you have entered this one. It is not a like number sequence. Through number sequence, it was not came, right?
yeah.
Those things you can modify. If it is a number sequences is hitting, then you cannot modify.
Uh,
Satya,
Means
it will.
suppose sales order customer, just give me one. Sales order number sequence. So sales order number you want to change. It is not possible. Like vendor account, customer account codes, those are directly through number sequence it is coming, am I right? So that will not
yeah.
be possible. Okay. Yes, please. Someone else is speaking. Yeah.
If you will make
Someone
this
else.
change, it will
Yeah.
impact the due date also.
Due date, it will not. How it will be? See, due date, how it will be modified? Because with the new data, yes, it is possible. But already existing data, how it will be modified? You are modifying now.
Okay.
Got it?
Only name will
That will
change
not.
there.
This is the only change of this name. Business logic will not work. Only this is overriding the master name. That's it. It is mapped in the customer, it is mapped in the vendor, it is mapped in the sales order, purchase order, wherever it was there, it will be updated. But this logic will not apply.
Okay.
But this logic will be only applied prospectively.
For the new transactions, already posted transactions, you cannot modify. It will not be
But
effective.
it will be confusing for the user. Like
Definitely.
yeah.
Definitely. So that is the reason I'm telling you, don't give this information to business users. This is for if you do mistake and you want to modify, correct it, then apply this one, being a functional consultant.
Okay.
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 Don't give this information to the end user. If end user is doing, we need to verify. So you cannot predict. But don't, so that's why some small things we should not reveal to the business users. They will play and they will come back to you with issues a lot.
Okay. By the way, to the end users, Satya, they will not be having the access at this level to modify this master
But
data.
suppose if they have like some senior like key user,
Uh-huh.
means sales manager or purchase manager has this one and he has very much curiosity to change this one, kind of this one. Then what you will
Mhm.
do? You are not going to create every day, am I right? End
Yeah.
user
Yeah.
may not have access. End user may not have access, but key user will have access.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Suppose this number, I want to change. I never tried, but let me try. Yeah, it is giving. So it is allowing. So don't give commitment like for each and everywhere it will be modified. Okay, this is for
Yeah.
you need to keep the weapon like a Brahmas with you. Okay, so the transaction type cannot be changed because the transaction has been fully or partially updated. Already it is there. So the transactions already posted, some vendor invoice, sales order invoice posted. So it is not allowing. Before that, it will allow you. Got it? Means you
Yeah.
have created, you want to modify, you can. So this Brahmas, you can use this one for your correction purpose. Understood?
Okay.
For your
Yeah.
correction purposes, you can use it. Fine. Tell me now.
Next.
Yeah. So
Can you
yeah.
go to the number sequence tab in the AP parameters?
Mm.
If you look at the third one, it says the 1099 report number. What is that 1099 report?
It is for USA. So for USA, there is a report. So I don't have experience.
Okay.
That is for India, for USA localization. Initially, USA is for all. Actually, USA setup we are using. That is the reason it is coming like that. 1099 report. So I will give you some information, but I am not sure. But I will give you information. That report I will what it is. Okay, not here. So here. Okay. So now apply taxation rules. It is sales tax taxation rule is applicable for USA. This one. Now let me show you another accounts payable, vendors. So here, this one, update 1099. Understood?
Yeah.
So these all are related to USA localization, but I'm
Okay.
not 100% sure. I will give you some highlights. Suppose in this one, this is my little bit knowledge. I may be wrong. Because I have not worked with implementation in USA, only support but not implementation. So like in Indian GST, you are submitting the documents to the government of authority. What are the purchase? What are the sold? Am I right?
Yeah.
So that you are getting input credit. Okay.
Yes.
In the same manner, in USA, you need to submit one document. What are the purchases and what are the sales?
Mm-hmm.
Because we don't in India we have GST. It is system is asking you. Here we don't have like we are only paying taxes collected at the sales in USA. Am I right? That
Yeah.
means 20 years back, whatever we have, that is still Microsoft, like in USA it is following. So they need to provide from where they have purchased a
Okay.
report. Okay. So in India also the same rule is there. Okay. But just give me a minute.
Yeah.
This conference will now be recorded.
So the taxation 1099, I'm predicting that report is linked to that where you are purchasing, that you need to provide the details. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Any more?
Yeah. Can I go to the order type in the AR parameters?
Once again, this AR parameters is not AR, it is sales and marketing. sales and marketing. If you want to understand all types, once again, logistics. It is more than 1 hour, half an hour to 1 hour session. Yeah, tell me.
Here, earlier the default setting was journal. Then we have
Yeah.
changed that to sales order. What does that journal means? What is that it will do when the journal was there?
So actually, journal is, there is no postings will happen with the type journal. Whenever you are suppose importing the data from third party application to this application, I will use type journal so that it will be updated. It will be migrated data from, or it will be integrated from third party application to Dynamics through order type sales order, sorry, journal. Once it is came to AX or Dynamics F&O, then I will verify and then I will change from journal to sales order. If it is type sales journal, you cannot do packing slip, you cannot do invoice, you cannot do anything. It is only dummy record. It's a kind of dummy record. And it will not include in the master planning also. It will not include in the master planning. So master planning is a part of manufacturing. Okay. So it will not include that journal type. The type journal, sales order type journal will not be included in the master planning. It is indirectly dummy record. Nothing can do from that one. Okay. So in detailed discussions, if you want, it is logistics once again.
Okay.
Actually, this parameter, see, if it is in procurement sourcing, it is there. In the same manner, this parameter should be a part of sales and marketing, but not finance. But it is cosmetic bug, in my opinion.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me.
Okay. The last one is yesterday when we were trying to post the packing slip while the selection was like a picked quantity, it was throwing the error. Then we have changed that to all. Then it got posted.
Once again, that is also you need to understand. There are so many things. Picking list registration. You learned only sales order process invoice 10% only. Whatever you have learned, it is 10%. You need to learn a lot, so many scenarios. That is actually like I will give you here. Just I will give clarification, but not explanation. So picking list and picking list registration is there. If you look at this one here, picking list, generate picking list and picking list registration. That is picked one. To do the process. Next one is packing. Okay.
Okay. Right. Yeah. That's it. Thank you. Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Fine. Now let us understand one functionality called workflow. Okay. So before that workflow, let me explain you about number sequence first. First, let us focus on number sequence. Then workflow will discuss. So actually, whenever you are creating a new company, we have used automatic number sequences. But these automatic number sequences are created with 4-digit company code -0001 for everyone, for every transaction. So we need to change number sequences at least few transactions. What are those? One is vendors. Another one is customers. It is better to change whatever it is there. Around 450 number sequences are created by system. It is better to modify. One is vendor number sequence, customer number sequence. Okay. The best practice what I follow. So one is company code hash, like this it will be there. Okay. I will use this company code is suppose MSUL. Okay, I'm making you mute for everyone. Okay, so like this it is creating, but my suggestion is, so if it is like this, it will create 000001. But my suggestion is always B dash. This is my proposal. So you can propose to client you don't take like your decision. Don't take decision. This is already created number sequence, and proposed is this one. In the same manner for customers, for customer number sequence, it is this one. Proposed is C. Okay, so that I can understand by looking into this one whether I am using customer or vendor. And next, sales order number. So sales order also, it will be like this. Then I will add SO. And in the same manner, purchase order. PO. Yeah, just give me 1 minute. I'll be back in 1 minute, please. Okay, I'm back. So the purchase order number sequence also, it will be like this, and it is better to follow like this. Next, packing slip, customer invoice, product receipt, vendor invoice, sales quotation, sales quotation confirmation. Next, purchase requisition. Next, RFQ, request for quotation. Next, purchase agreements, sales agreements, all these things, it is better to modify. If anything, you can verify. These all are, whatever it is there, 99% it is logistics. Okay, it is not, don't leave with the T&L consultant. Even if you are a finance consultant, you can propose, because T&L consultant may not remember this one. Suppose you are from my student, because you are my student, you know what it is. Some other like T&L consultant is some other consultant, he may or he may not know about these things. Then initially it will be fine. After 1 month, customer will realize. For see, suppose they have opened one purchase order, vendor number also the same, sales order number also same, customer number also same, purchase order number also same. He will confuse whether he is looking at the what he is looking. Always the best practice is Of course, it is there, purchase order, print format. So it will be confusion to your mind. By looking into this one, it will be more specific. Suppose if the like client has 100 legal entities, you cannot propose. I saw recently one client, they have 900 legal entities. 900 legal entities. So if it is 900 legal entities, it is very difficult to modify all these things. Then they can leave it. If it is like 3-4 legal entities or 2 legal entities or 5 legal entities, very limited, you can propose this one. This is my suggestion. Okay. Any questions on this number sequence?
Maximum limit of number sequence is up to how many digits?
20 digits. It will allow up to 20 characters. The length, it will allow up to 20 characters. Okay, don't use entire 20. The reason behind the reports, it should be printout should come. In the printouts, if you are using the entire length, then it is 80 column stationary. In any report, it is 18 column stationary. If you are using 20 digits directly, then the report will be remaining 60 only. Understood? So you need to think about the reports also, not only data entry. Okay, fine. Any more questions, team?
Sir, can you make me presenter?
Yeah.
This is Vijay, sir.
Yes,
This one,
Satya.
So,
Yes, Satya.
so
One of the
Vidyasagar,
yeah.
one second. Vidyasagar, I'm making you presenter. Have you
sir, not
accepted?
this one, sir. Not this one, sir. Other than
Uh,
this system.
What is that name? Because it is showing only one Vidyasagar. What is the name you have used?
Sagar, sir.
Sorry,
Sagar.
Sagara. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I made it. Yeah, Venkatesh, you are speaking something.
Yeah, see, this number sequence format is good, but one of the best practice I have gone through that the all North America related they will start the vendor ID with 1 and EMEA countries 2. Like that, can we segregate here?
Yes. Your wish.
Yeah, by
Here it
seeing
is.
the starting number, we can make it out. Okay, he is from this region.
Yeah. You can. Your wish. Yeah. What is the error message? It was clearly told like cost of purchased material received. You have not mapped. Cost of material received. It was mapped. Okay, go back. Go back. 1 second. Okay. Now first show me, go to the next third browser. Show me ledger form. Show me the ledger form. 1 second. Anyhow, you are there in the accounts payable parameters. Go to the accounts payable parameters. Okay, go to ledger and sales tax. Okay, you have mapped VPP. Okay. Now go back to the purchase order first. Close this error message. Okay, close. Try to close the error message. Whatever it is there, all messages, close it. The messages, right side messages are no messages. Operation completed something. I don't want any message. Now do it. Product receipt once again. enter product receipt number. Okay, click OK. Okay, show me that message. Close this one also. Close this all for purchase order also close it. Do you have posted any purchase order, another purchase order, or this is the first purchase order? Close it. Let me see how many purchase orders are there. Refresh. So you are not able to post any purchase order. Okay, fine. Now go to the third browser or fourth browser, any browser. Okay, go to general ledger, ledger setup, ledger. General ledger, ledger setup, ledger. Any browser is fine. Take any one. Why are you keeping those many? General ledger, ledger setup, ledger. First, this is the origin. So origin is working fine or not? Click on edit in the top. Okay, 1 second. Shared you have mapped. Fiscal it was mapped. USD euro, this one fine. Now click on that AS3. Okay, it is 8 series to 899 and close. Close. AS1, AS4. So there is no brain. Head is there, brain is not there. Understand? You have created head, but you have not created brain. So you have mapped 8 series and 9 series. But where is 1 series, 2 series, 3 series? Chart of accounts are starting with 1 series to 9 series. Am I right? Venkatesh? Sorry, Sagar, Vidya Sagar. So here two structures you have mapped. Just a minute.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, we can hear. Looks like he's on mute for some time.
Thank you, Kevin.
I'm sorry, I'm back. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, already I have created AS1, AS2 with series 1 to 3999 and
Add
4002.
now, add it. Add now. Select. So brain is ready, but it is not inserted in the head. Now
Means
show
that
me
AS1,
AS1.
AS2 is a enterprise level data.
Show me AS1. Show me. So 1 to 399. Close. Next one, AS2. All are enterprise level data only. It is not like AS1, AS2 is enterprise level and 3 is not enterprise level. All are enterprise level data, accounting structure and financial dimensions and startup accounts. Okay, now close. Now click on, once it is mapped, you can click on, yeah, recalculate ledger premises. Click OK. See here, it is not only you, everyone will do mistakes. Then only we can grow. Okay, now try. You can take the first one, not required to create new one. Why are you creating new one? Cancel it. Open the first one. Now do the product receipt. Because it is not in the memory. So if you are preparing one type, like, then definitely we need to have. Understood now? Now if you verify, go back to the ledger form once again. Leave it this one. Go to the ledger form. Refresh the screen. Refresh the screen. Now it will be black. Okay. Once again, reload. I mean to say general ledger, ledger setup, ledger. No, not that one. General ledger, ledger setup, ledger. Now it will be black. Look at this one. Click on edit and verify accounting currency, reporting currency, shared, everything locked. Got it? Chart of accounts are locked.
Yes, sir.
Accounting currency and reporting currency locked. Now you can go to the
Yes,
purchase order, whatever you want, you can do. Understood now the problem?
okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have prepared accounting structures but not mapped in the legal entity. As I told you, ledger is
Actually,
a head. Yes, please.
Actually, I created two companies. First time I have mapped that AS1 and AS2 structures. I think I have to create new one for this, as I don't know it is an enterprise level. So if we created structures one time that we can use for any company.
But whatever it
No
may be,
need
but
to
here,
no need to create every time that structure.
no, that's not the one.
Okay.
You're right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Fine. Let me make myself presenter. So you can leave from the Sagar. Okay. Fine. So we understood about this one. Okay. Next, let us understand workflow. Whether I have explained workflow, either it is finance or SCM. Anyone?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Yes.
Purchase order workflow. Okay, fine. That's fine. In that case, it's fine. Next one, let us understand. So we understand number sequences. Number sequences explained. Next, the workflow it is already defined. So because I have written as ending point, but no problem. Next, so dual currency also have explained, but I want to refresh your knowledge. But let me recap. It is in finance. Even logistics people also can understand at least. So here, transaction currency, whenever you are doing purchase order, sales order, anything, transaction currency you can modify. Suppose my company is in USA, then US dollars is my company currency. But I can import material from Singapore, from Malaysia, Singapore, or I'm importing from Spain, I'm importing from France. Then my transaction currency will be different. Okay, suppose I'm importing from UK. My company is in USA. I'm importing from UK. Then GBP is the transaction currency. GBP is the transaction currency. So in the old logic, it is GBP will be converted into accounting currency, and accounting currency will be converted into reporting currency. Okay, this is the old logic. But in new logic, transaction currency will be converted into accounting currency. Transaction currency will be converted into reporting currency. This is the new logic from D365 8.1 and 10.0. Okay, even logistics people also you need to understand this one. It is most important. So in AX 2009, before Accepta 4.0, AX 2012, in 6.0, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, and D365 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0. In all versions, the logic is like this. Now the logic is this. It is simple, so simple, but it will impact heavily inside. It will impact heavily inside. Okay, so this is the new logic introduced by Microsoft. Okay, it is so simple. By whenever you are looking, it is so simple, but logically, each and every transaction while posting, whether it is a vendor invoice, sales order invoice journal, vendor payment, customer payment, everywhere the logic should be changed. For technical consultant, it is a very big exercise. For us, it is so simple, look, but for technical consultant, there is a big challenge. But they did. Microsoft arrived from 8.0 to 8.1. Whenever it is upgraded, the new logic is introduced. Okay. Any doubt in this one? Particularly for logistics consultants, because you don't know about this one. I hope No doubts. Okay, fine. Next, we need to discuss about opening balances are like in this implementation, the implementation methodology. One is master data upload, and then opening balances. These are the two challenges we need to work. It is a big exercise. One is master data migration. Next one is opening balances. These two are very big exercises. Means while practicing in this company, in this system, while practicing, we are using chart of accounts, existing chart of accounts, general ledger, collapse all, chart of accounts, chart of accounts. So we are using this shared chart of accounts. It is already there. It is around 500 to 600 number sequences are there. Main accounts we are using. But in the real-time scenario, it's not like this. We need to create one by one. So for sample purpose, I have created new chart of accounts. Okay. So first you need to create new, and you need to map the chart of account name. Once it is defined, then you need to create new main account by clicking new. You need to click new main account, and you need to give main account number, name, the account type, asset or liability or equity, or profit and revenue or expenses. Otherwise, instead of profit and revenue and expenses, you can select profit and loss account. Instead of asset, liability, equity, you can use balance sheet. Either one you can use. So you need to create one by one. It is a hectic job. It is a very hectic job. It's a big exercise. And one more thing, I will tell you, particularly for summary accounts. Let me show you. Okay, here, suppose domestic. This is do not allow manual entry checkbox is available. Accounts receivable domestic, do not allow. The reason behind, whenever you are posting a customer invoice, automatically it is posting to this account. This is called customer summary account. We have mapped. Okay, for those accounts, I don't want manual entry. You need to enable this checkbox. And if you are running foreign currency revaluation, if you are executing foreign currency revaluation for any account, you need to enable this one. For vendor and customer, we are not enabling checkbox. It is not required. By default, it will be. But whereas if it is normal accounts, main accounts, if you are running foreign currency revaluation, you need to enable like this. Then only it will work. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay, for vendor, we are not enabling foreign currency revaluation. For customer, we are not enabling. But for ledger account, you need to enable foreign currency revaluation checkbox. Then only it will be involved. So like this, we need to create all these things. The main accounts you need to define. But practically, it is complex. Okay, so rather than this one, I can import using Excel file. I can use it using data import export framework, using data management framework. I can import and export. I can export and import. So how to do it means, it is, to be frankly, it is MB 300 in detail. It is a part of MB 300. In this, it will be there. Data management framework. Okay. So one is workflow, data management framework, batch jobs, print setups, emails, and everything is a part of administration. It is MB 310. Sometimes partially we are doing, being a functional head. So now how to do it means, you can go to workspaces, scroll down, data management. Okay, so let me go to data entities. Okay, 1 minute. First thing is, let me go back. Here, the first step is you need to verify templates. Is it configured or not? So to upload these templates, you need to click on load default templates and you need to click on load all. So it will upload the templates. It will upload the templates. It will load all the templates. It may take 1 or 2 minutes time. Let it be done. Because already created, so it will not take much time. It is first time, it will take so much time. It will be blank. In earlier, it will be blank. You need to load templates. Just give me a minute. I think it will take 3 minutes time. Next one is this processing. Next one is the same data management. Data management. Here, framework parameters. Framework parameters. It's done. Okay, there are so many things that was created. Now, next one is framework parameters. Just give me a minute. It's loading now. While implementing, this is a biggest exercise for you. One of the I mean to say one of the major work you are going to do it. This one only, master data migration. don't know why it is taking this much time. Okay, once it is loaded, like data import export framework parameters, click on entity settings, click on refresh entity list. So it will take some time, you need to complete this one. Okay, already running, so that is the reason it is showing like this. So it is executing now. Okay, once it is executed, if you go to data entities, it will show you all the chart of accounts, main accounts. So here chart of accounts are. This is the entity name. One is chart of accounts, another one is vendor. So here you will see vendor V2, vendor V3 something. Vendor V2, vendor V3 like this. Okay, so it is available now. So two things.
Okay.
One
Satya,
is
one question.
1 minute. Let me finish. One is templates you need to load. Next one is framework. In the framework, you need to make sure like you can create refresh list. These two, once it is executed, then you will find in the data entities. You will find in the data entities it will be there the data. Okay, it should be exist. Then only you can do the process. These three steps are important one by one step. One is load template, like templates loading, parameter setup, and then data interface. Once it is completed, we can see. Now tell me, yeah, your doubt.
Yeah, can you go to the entity setup? In the next tab you have it now.
Which one? This one, data entries.
Data entities. Now here there are so many templates available here. So suppose if you look at vendor, numerous templates are available. How to find out which one is the relevant one or the right one to use it?
That is your experience. That is the reason you are getting paid amount. Whatever you are learning, terms of payment, vendor payment, method of payment, anyone can do it, am I right?
Yeah.
So it is your turn now. It is your exercise. With practice, you are able to understand. Okay. Otherwise, you need to verify like what's new. So Microsoft will release every periodically. So here the new features releases 10.0.21, 22 like this is there. 1 second. Everything will not be in your plate. Okay, these are the releases. Okay, so it is releasing every release. Microsoft will give the information. You need to go through this one. What are the changes? Understood?
Yeah.
This is the big exercise. Got it?
Yeah.
Every changes. So actually in this vendor, it is vendor V2. So in this vendor V2 or V3 is there. Vendors V2. So initially vendors is there. Later it was updated with vendor V2. So that how can you know? If it is Microsoft is keep on changing vendor 2, vendor 3 like this, then that answer is this one. You need to update. You need to upgrade to what it is going on. Got it?
Yes.
It is a big exercise. That's why we are highly paid. We are highly paid. The reason behind, you need to upgrade everything. So whatever you are learning, the pillars. So whatever you are learning, to be frankly, if you want to build a 20 stairs building, you are learning pillars, then basement 3, basement 2, basement 1, and ground floor, first floor. Maybe 5 floors you are learning. After that, the building is in your hand. Understood? I'm making your pillars strong. So I'm not teaching like in 23rd floor, 25th floor, how to construct. It is very difficult. No one can teach. Okay. So I'm teaching you about the ground floor, like first pillars, then basement 3, basement 2, basement 1, ground floor, first floor, second floor. Max to max 4 floors or 5 floors I have explained. After that, the interior construction, how to design your rooms, how to design the floors, all those things is in your hand. Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Basically, if we go through the MB300 training, then obviously all these things will be covered over there. Is it Satya?
So no one is available to teach you, as per my knowledge. No one is available to teach you. If anyone came to know, let me know. Actually, I am teaching for corporate trainings, not for regular. I'm teaching for corporate trainings.
Hope we will start a new batch for that.
No, at this point, I don't have time. I need to work in my company roles as well. All right. I cannot come out from my company roles. Fine. Okay, fine. Now let us understand. Let us understand how to export, how to import. Okay. So data management framework. Now here, what I'm doing, export. First, we need to export chart of accounts. Click on new. So COA chart of accounts, 15 June 22. Export. Now click on add entity. Now you can select the entity name, chart of accounts. Target is Excel file. We have so many. If you are expertise in different CSV file, comma separated file, or colon separated, there are so many things. I am expert in Excel. I am selecting Excel. Click add. Now close. So it was there. Now I can export now. If you click on export, it will go to the batch. I'm clicking on export now. Why it is taking this much time? Okay, let's see. Fine. Just give me a minute. Usually it will not take this much time. I don't know why it is taking this much. Oh, failed. Huh? Hmm. Give me a minute. Let me try one more time. Otherwise, tomorrow I will show you from trial version. From trial version, I will show you. Let me try once again. So I don't know what is the reason behind. I'm not 100% expert in this area. I'm a mid-level expert. Data management, export. What is the message? The name. Let me try once again. If not, I will verify this one later. But I will show you tomorrow from test in run trial version. Let me try. We'll spend for another 1 or 2 minutes, and then if it is not resolved, then we'll see tomorrow in trial version. Okay, fine. We'll see this one later. Okay, tomorrow we'll see what it is exactly. In another version, I mean to say trial test version or trial version, we'll practice this what exactly. Okay, even this one also. Let us understand opening balances. First one. This is more useful to finance consultants. Okay, let me open Excel file. Not this one. So while uploading balances, suppose take the example 110 110 110 120 150 200 180 100 130 100 140 100 150 100 180 100. Like this you are entering. Next 200 100 220 200 250 500. Next like this 300 100 330 200. Like this you are uploading, right? This is ledger account. Suppose this is a ledger account, like something draft something amount 25,000 the balance. This is 80,000. 1 second. This is 80,000. Okay, like this total amount 2 lakhs 25 lakhs. Just I'm giving, otherwise 2 crores 50 lakhs 25,000. So this side also the same, am I right? Debit and credit, it is same. Agree? Total? Then only it is correct. Trial balance. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, Satya.
Now here, suppose this is accounts receivable domestic. If it is ledger account, suppose this is like some what we have to use the word. I'm giving examples. General ledger, chart of accounts, shared chart of accounts. Suppose deposits cash. One account, the balance is correct. Another example, bonds 120 100 something. it is 1,25,000. Like this we are entering. Let me remove this commas. Fine. Now this is domestic accounts receivable domestic. It is 25 lakhs. And then 130110. Accounts receivable international. It is 80 lakhs. Now in this is sum of customer A, customer B, customer C, and customer X, customer Y. Example, 5 customers. Okay. Now this one is customer N, customer M, customer Z, customer O, or customer L, like this, so on so. So finance team has given this value. Now this sum of this customer balance is coming 24 lakhs. This is the domestic 130,100 is the ledger account balance. This customer, all customer balances, it is 24 lakhs. Whether you if you are entering like this and you are entering customer opening balances as 24 lakhs, one by one, can you tally these two?
No.
Who will tally? This is given by Ramesh. Fine, trial balance given by Ramesh. This customer balances was given by some Ramarao. Suresh otherwise. So whether you can tally these two? Who will tally?
No,
Started account.
yeah, finance consultant should tally that, Satya, because at the end of the day, when I'm loading the numbers into the system, my subledger balance should obviously, apparently should be matched with my GL account, na?
Yeah. So now let me go back. You are a finance consultant. The data belongs to this company. So whether these people will do it or these people will do it.
See, ideally, when they are providing the master data, see the control, the super user, whoever is providing the data from the GL side, you should ensure that what is the subledger balance and what is the GL balance that they are submitting to the finance consultant to upload this data into the system.
So that's what I'm giving you. Now accountant Ramesh. Ramesh is an accountant. He is a collection agent. Sales team and marketing team, collection team. They have given this one. This is a person. Am I right? It is not a company, means it's a persons. The people are giving from this one. They have given like this. This guy accountant has given this one. You have simply silently uploaded this one, and these people are given this one balances. Who will tally? Who will tally? Functional consultant. Can I do it? Can I modify like this balance is CY? It is customer balance X is not this one. See, 24 lakhs. How it was came? Customer A, customer B, customer C, customer X, customer Y.
Finance consultant cannot decide the number. What is the number that belongs to the client? It's ultimately the client is holding that.
So now while uploading this, actually not recently, long back, I saw many people, they have uploaded silently this balance. So trial balance is tallied perfectly, and customer balances given by another team, they have uploaded customer balances. Now they are coming up with, if they are adjusting this one, this is modifying. If you are adjusting this one, it is correcting. It is a hectic job. Understood?
Yes.
Understood?
Yeah.
This will create problems to finance consultant. Your application is wrong. They will blame your application. They will blame like your application is completely worst application. That's what they will speak. So what you have to do? What you have to do in these situations? Understood? Okay, you cannot satisfy this guy. He is telling like trial balance I have given, tally trial balance. This guy is telling like I have given customer balances. So 99% customer balances will be tallied, no issues. Vendor balances
Will also
accounts
be tallied.
payable,
Usually
domestic.
this with the inventory. That's where the
Now
very
yes, exactly it is. So inventory balance.
that will never tie up even in the regular business operations, you know.
So then what I have to do? I will not enter this balance at all. What I will do? I will not enter these two balances. Okay. What I will do? I will enter customer A balance, customer B balance, customer C balance, customer D balance, customer X balance. Like I will enter the balances. Then let it be trial balance fail. Okay. For this one, let me give here. For this one, every time what I will do, I will enter here. One is 990100 opening balance for GL, and this one is open 990200 opening balance for customers. This is 990300 opening balance for inventory. This total should be 0 always. Am I right? For all you have entered debit, credit will be posted here. You have entered debit, credit will be posted here, like this.
Then you mean to say whatever is the difference between the sub-ledger balance versus the GL trial balance number, then that difference will be kept in this, parked in this 9 series account.
Exactly. So this is, see, whenever I'm implementing, I will explain to this one for many junior people also. I will not take this balance. I will not take this, whatever you are telling, 25 lakhs. I least bother about this one. I will not consider. I will consider whatever it is. So trial balance, let it be fail. Something balance is coming. Net effect. So that they need to come back, because for customers and vendors it is not an issue. Inventory balance and fixed asset balances is a tough job. even fixed asset balances also may be rectified majority times because it is within finance. Even there is a chance customer balances and vendor balances will not be a problem, but understanding purpose I have given example. Okay, customer balance, vendor balances, usually it will be tallied because otherwise customer will fight with you. Every month or every quarter reconciliation will be happened. But whereas inventory balances, first the toughest is fixed asset balances. Fixed asset balances, it may be rectified, maybe or may not be, little bit challenge, but inventory balances 99% will be failed for each and every case. 99% will be failed. Then this is like items are suppose 10 quantity, because items has quantity multiply with price should be tallied with the total amount. If it is not tallying, I cannot sit. Stores people and finance team, they need to sit together and they need to arrive what is the value. Make sense? So don't
Yes.
bring this balance. Don't bring this balance. Remove it and bring item balances. Wherever you want to modify in the item balances. It will reflect in the inventory balance. Okay, this is really help you, because this no one will teach you pakka in trainings. No one will teach you, because if you face these real challenges, then only you will understand. So I saw many clients and many users, even 1 year, 1.5 years also, once again there is a big fight between this team versus this team. This is your mistake, this is your mistake. So highlight that mistake in the very first day. Don't hide, highlight it in the very first day. They will not come back to you. If you keep silent, you will be in a great trouble. So why I'm telling this one, whenever I'm attending interviews, they will ask questions like 1-2 questions. Third question, they will come to this point, because they are not going to recruit me. They want to clear their doubts. That is the reason they have scheduled a call. Understood? If they want to clear their doubts, they will schedule a call and they will ask me the questions. Then I can understand immediately, like, are you really asking me, or you want me to clear your doubts? Initially he will demand like anything. Later he will request, sir, I'm struggling here, please help me. It is not an interview to me. Like suppose I'm getting 30 lakhs or 40 lakhs salary, I will give you 60 lakhs package. This is offered, this will be offered by companies. Then I know, like, it is not really for, they are not going to recruit me. They want their doubts should be cleared. So, because for that purpose they have scheduled interview. This was happened not recently. This was happened when I'm growing a lot, a number of times. Then initially they will demand like, yeah, explain me this one, that one. Later they will come, sir, please, sir, I'm struggling here, please help me. Then I will answer. I don't have any issues to give clarifications on this interview, but let me know whether really are you going to recruit me, or it is only for clarifications. I will ask upfront. Then they will come back to me like, sir, I'm struggling this one, please help me. Understood? This is one of the technique to resolve their problems. Fine, I think it is clear now, am I right? If not, I will explain you once again this one tomorrow. Okay, I think some 2-3 members they understand quickly, but some people they may not understand. Okay, tomorrow I will refresh this one. This is really important for every consultant. You will not learn this one in real time scenario. I mean to say, you will not learn in any training institutes. This is a real experience, I'm telling you. Okay, fine. Any more questions? Last quick questions? Okay, if nothing, then we can wind up the session. We'll connect once again tomorrow morning, same time. See you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you.